some people really like to wear the same clothing, whether it's jogging bottoms and a t-shirt every day, whether it's sportswear that really does fit to their body, whether it's a dress that just hangs loosely. There's reasons, whether it's the style or whether it's the way that it feels on their body, or the way the fabric touches their skin, the smell of the clothes, whether they're old or whether they're new. All of these things are really important to consider when we're thinking about the clothing choices that people have. We hear quite often that people find labels and seams really difficult in clothes, especially school wear, and so wearing particular shirts can be very difficult for people who are hypersensitive to touch. So considering the clothes that we prepare for people or give as options for people to be able to wear, but also when we go away on holiday, it's really important that we consider the changes in the clothes that we might wear when we're away. So if you're going somewhere really sunny and really hot, then you're going to be wearing shorts or skirts or strappy t-shirts and short t-shirts, vests, swimming costumes. All of these clothes feel very different to trousers, leggings and jumpers that we might wear every day. When we go to different countries, we have to consider the temperature. So for many people with sensory processing difficulties, we know that the weather can be incredibly difficult for them to regulate. So be prepared, think about clothing, but ultimately identify, why do they wear the certain types of clothing that they do at home? So do they like the jumper because of the weight of it? Does it give them really good body awareness? If so, then when you're on holiday, think about clothes that really do fit to their body. So swimwear, but the wetsuit type of long sleeve and shorts, because that's going to help them to feel where their body is. Do they carry a backpack instead of wearing that heavy jumper to feel maybe the groundedness or the weightedness of that the jumper provides for them? Likewise, if you're going somewhere cold, thinking about all of those layers that then you're going to be wearing, it can be very different to what you're wearing at home. And we know in the winter, many people don't like to wear coats and hats and scarves and gloves and cover up their body even more. So we do again have to think about, what clothing do they wear when they're at home? Why do they wear it? What sensory aspects do they have? And so then when we're packing to go on holiday, how can we provide or prepare the right clothes to take with us to support that sensory requirement as well?